The Canon EOS Rebel T7 bundle delivers very good image quality with its 24.1 megapixel sensor and dependable processor, making it a strong choice for everyday photography and learning enthusiasts. Autofocus is straightforward and accurate for this class of camera, and the rear display plus intuitive menus make it easy for beginners to get sharp, well-exposed shots without feeling overwhelmed. Built-in wireless connectivity lets you move photos to your phone or tablet and share them quickly, which is especially handy for travel, family events, and social media use. The included standard zoom lens covers a versatile range for landscapes, portraits, and casual shooting, and its optical stabilization helps keep handheld images steadier in lower light. This bundle stands out because it adds wide-angle and telephoto converters, a sturdy tripod, memory card, and cleaning tools, so you can start shooting a wide variety of subjects right away without hunting for extra accessories. Although it is a renewed unit, the camera and accessories are carefully inspected to function and appear close to new, offering strong value for someone who wants a complete interchangeable lens setup on day one.